god, I'm dizzy. So today is the last day of the festival officially, which is very, very sad. Feels like it went by so fast, like it's crazy. So we're gonna ride up the mountain today. It's gonna be like the last official Q&A with everyone there. And yeah, this will be like my 4th day in a row going up the mountain, and I haven't done that in a really long time, so I'm really tired. Plus I haven't really been getting early nights the past couple nights, so I'm just gonna take it real slow, and Kyle's gonna come with me, and we're just gonna go up really slow today, good pace. We're riding all the way up here, right there.
Want an answer, 'cause I could take you high up the skies.
Hey baby.
You are so fat.
We got mango, passion fruit, dragon fruit, and sugar.
Ooh, yummy.
Oh my god. Look at him. Jesus.
The red shirt. Yeah. But it's okay.
So I've got round 2, mango, banana, passion fruit, and the girls gave me a free banana. We came home, we showered, and now we are meeting the crew at the mall, and we're gonna go to the sticky waterfalls.
Follow me, let yourself breathe now. Do you see? Listen to our hearts keeping the rhythm. Trust me and you'll see that one moment's all I need to show you how I love you, baby. I promise you to me. Hold on, believe.
So we're here at the sticky waterfalls. That's what they call them because the rocks along the waterfall are limestone, so it's not actually slippery, so you can actually walk all the way up the waterfall. From the sticky waterfalls. That was a long fucking day. You look tanned. I look so pale.
I'm tan, man.
I need a tan. And we are so hungry because like it was like such a long trip there, and we didn't really have time to eat, and we weren't allowed to bring food in there, so we're gonna go to Happy Green and we're gonna feast and stuff our faces because we're so hungry. Wow, so look at that line from my helmet. We're at Happy Green and I'm so hot and so sweaty and so hungry, and the traffic was insane, but we're here. Alright, you guys basically know the drill by now, but this time, something new. We've got spring rolls. Maybe. They're not very rolly. We got potatoes under there, rice, potatoes, corn, lettuce, cucumber. Plate number 1. There we go. I love cucumber so much. Round number 2. Greens, oil-free pad thai, pumpkin curry, and more rice. So we finished dinner at Happy Green, we filled up on food, And now we are at Kevin and Glenda's and we are eating durian because it's Glenda and Kevin's last night. Sad face. This is the sad part about the festival, saying goodbye to everyone. This is gonna be sucky. But yeah, we're having a durian party tonight and we've got this so far. Yeah. And the boys have gone out and they have gone to get more durian. So this is gonna be a party. Totally forgot to end the vlog last night. I was so tired. I just came home and we just passed out. It was such a long day yesterday. But yeah, so this morning we just slept in and it was so nice to actually just sleep until we woke up, because normally I'm waking up by an alarm every morning. But today I'm just taking the day off and relaxing because it's been such a busy 3 weeks, but it's been such a fun 3 weeks. Like, this is something I'll never ever forget. It's been so amazing and I'm so sad that it's already over, but there's so many of us still here in Chiang Mai, so the festival really continues. It never really ends. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave your questions and comments down below. Subscribe if you are new to the channel.